Welcome to another tutorial. I'm your host Fraser, and this is a great vision video. In this video, I'm just gonna demonstrate to you how the return statement works. Okay, so in the following program, I'll ask a user to enter a numerical value between 1 and 4, and it displays a text. So for example, if somebody enters 1, it will return 1. If someone enters 2, it will return 2. Only if my statements are true. Remember how if statement depend on your boolean values. So right now I'm just showing you how a return statement works. Okay, so enter a number between 1 and 2 and then print the number. So return statement returns a value normally to the user. So I'm just demonstrating how a return statement works. So let's run this. Okay, here's my program. So enter a number between 1 and 4. So enter a number between 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Okay. So for instance, so if I were to enter 1 in words is 1. You see, so a return statement returns a value back to the user. That's the main thing you need to get from this a tutorial. So return statement returns a value back to a user. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.